Hi guys, so today we're gonna go Dairy Milk. This is my favorite chocolate. Wow, it's gold. I just want it. We're gonna taste it. Get the best. And my dad was like, that chocolate is it is even gold, guys. And it's the 80s. That is so good. And we got this chocolate. I don't know how to repeat it.
Macadamia.
My mom already said it. Macadamia.
Let's try this.
Okay, so we're gonna try that. So we're gonna test this. We're gonna rate who is the best. Dairy Milk or Macadamia. This thing, the Dairy Milk is so good. It's Macadamia. Dun, 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 dun. That one. I think it's good. Okay. It's that. So yeah, get it. Bye. But we're gonna judge first. Me, I prepare Dairy Milk. How about you, Mom?
Macadamia.
Academia. Go like down below. I'll post this. Who's much better, Dairy Milk or Macadamia? Bye bye, guys. See you again tomorrow.